Good morning, students. Hope you are all fine. Now, we are going to discuss the third point is keeping quiet. Keeping quiet means chup, shant. What is the meaning of this poem? We understand when we read this poem. And this poem is written by Pablo Neruda. The poet gives the message that we should introspect ourselves so that we know that what we achieved and what we get. That is a message conveyed by the poet. So students, let's start the poem. In this poem, there are 5 extracts. We discuss that extract and with explanation. Okay student, let's start the first stanza. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. Meaning of this line is that student, now we will count to 12. Means the poet here requests to everyone that we will count to 12. Now we will count to 12. The poet requests to everyone that we will count to 12. Means the 12 is maybe clock time and maybe 12th month of the year, and we will all keep still. And the poet requests to everyone to keep still, to keep calm for some time, for a moment, for some time. For once on the face of the earth, let us not speak any English. The poet requests to everyone to silent, to keep quiet for some time, for some moment. No one speak any language. Let us stop for 1 second. Means the poet wants that no one speak any language. Means the number of languages speak on this earth, and maybe this language become the barrier to stop, to become calm. So the poet requests to everyone to be not to speak any language and keep quiet and not move our arms so much. Arm refers to the weapons. Everyone know the weapons. Everyone know the meaning of weapons. Arms means weapons that used during the wars. That is weapons. The instrument used in the war to kill soldiers, to kill enemies. That is weapons. Not move our weapons so much. The poet also requests to the countries not to move their weapons for a moment. In the sense, there should be no fight between the countries. Those countries think about the wars. Please stop for some times and think about the peace and the harmony. Basically, the poet demanding peace for all of us. But poet wants peace for everyone. So he requests to the people and also the wars people, countries people, think about the wars, to stop for some moment and think about the peace, not for the wars. That is the first extract we done. Now we move to the second one. Now the second extract is about it would be an exotic moment. Exotic means extraordinary, rare moment. The poet requests to all to stop for 1 minute, 1 second. Then the poet then said that it will be a exotic moment if we stop, not do any work without rush. There is no movement on the ground without engines. Machine not work, they also be stopped. So there is no rush and no engine move. That is the extraordinary movement if there is no movement on the earth. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. In this way, if there is silence all over, there is no work, then we will be together in strange way. In the strange way means all the people stop work, machines also stop works. In this way we all be together. Fisherman. The poet described this moment. The poet described the moment that this is a calm moment. There is no rush, no noise. So at that moment you listen, you introspect yourself. Means what you achieve, what you have done. Look at yourself, not others. Look at yourself, what you have achieved in that period. This explained by the example of fisherman. Fisherman in the cold sea would not harm whales. The poet gives the example of the fisherman, that the fisherman went to the fisherman goes to the sea and caught fishes. And the poet requests the fisherman not to harm whales. Not to harm whales means not to harm animals. The poet requests to all the people that not to hurt animals. They are also the part of the earth. So we have no right to hurt animals. And the man gathering salt. And now give the example of another. The poet give another example, that man gathering salt near the sea would look at his hurt hand. When he was gathering salt, after some time he looked at his hurt hand, wound hand. Is it clear, student? What he realized that? He realized that what he achieved in this way. So the poet request to everyone to introspect yourself, what you have achieved and how much they have lost for the sake of attaining such material things. So the poet requests to all of you that you have to introspect yourself and realize what you achieve and what you lost in attaining the materialistic things. That is explain these extracts, that the fisherman, first of the people not harm the animals, means not hurt the nature. It is also a part of the earth. Second, the man gathering salt. When in the man gathering salt, so that is the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hand. When he look at his hurt hand means he looked at what he achieved after getting the money. That is the second extract, students.